In front of me is AGM H6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. Start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Like that. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here, and when I click, it turned blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut until it's black. If you have a bit more time though, you can always go into settings and scroll to access location section available here. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!